Today, we're checking out the top 5 Airbnbs to stay at when visiting the timelessly elegant city of London. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally respond to your comment. All the links to each property will be in the description. Also, make sure to watch until the end. You're not going to want to miss out on how jaw-droppingly gorgeous the #1 Airbnb in London is. The capital city of England and the UK is absolutely brimming with life. You're looking at a city whose history stretches back to ancient Roman times, with iconic attractions such as the Big Ben Clock Tower and the London Eye Observation Wheel, the Westminster Abbey, countless museums, and some of the most genuine, charming people you'll ever meet. London is downright amazing. But you're going to need a place to stay in this thriving city. Luckily, London is home to some of the most gorgeous homes in the world. Here are the top 5 Airbnbs to stay at in London. Number 5. The Royal Penthouse. Get ready to live like royalty and be treated like one. In the Royal Penthouse, you get to stay in the famous area of Knightsbridge in Belgravia. Knightsbridge is one of the poshest neighborhoods, not only in London, but in the entire world. It's home to some of the most expensive properties in the UK, its wealthiest inhabitants, and to all the top fashion stores. For an astronomically amazing price, the Royal Penthouse earned its spot as one of the most sought-after homes. You'll find 4,699 square feet of luxury, packed full of individuality and contemporary decor. This spacious penthouse features 5 ensuite bedrooms, each one with its own Architecture Digest-worthy ensuite bathroom. One of the bathrooms even boasts a cool steam room function. A sunlight-filled kitchen is perfect for cooking family meals. There are also 3 entertaining spaces so that all of your friends can come have a blast at your fantastic rental. And in addition, a study area takes up a spacious room to allow you to get in some quality work time as well. Guests will fall in love with the awe-worthy private roof terraces. There are not 1, but 3 that stand guard over Knightsbridge, offering an unparalleled view that you'll rarely find in central London. This property will exceed all your expectations. The price tag on this unique experience? You can book it for $4,455 per night. Number 4. Barnes Villa. Located in the Greater London area, less than a 30-minute drive from London Heathrow Airport, is this charming, elegant getaway from the city. Barnes Villa is the pinnacle of luxury and sophistication. Think opulent gold-tone metals, grand chandelier, a neutral butterscotch color palette, and gorgeous herringbone flooring. There are a total of 5 gorgeous bedrooms and 5.5 baths, each filled with an abundance of luxurious features and unique, inviting decor. Whether you enjoy lounging on the spacious beds, comfortable sofas, or peacefully gazing at the world from the villa's terrace, all your needs will be met. There's an indulgent hidden hot tub that tempts guests to get in a relaxing soak before they leave. A session in the house's sauna will do wonders for removing all of your worries. Grab a drink at the wet bar, gather with all your friends and family in the garden or around the fire pit, and make the best of this tranquil haven. You can stay at this calming paradise as well for $3,654 a night. Number 3. Hyde Park Gate 2. Brace yourself to live in one of the most lavish experiences London has to offer, in one of the most revered neighborhoods. Hyde Park Gate 2, located in the Kensington and Chelsea district of London, is an ideal location. Also next to the Royal Albert Hall, Hyde Park Gate 2 has a plethora of points of interest around it. The nearest airport is London City, a breezy 17.7 kilometers away. Free airport shuttle service is also offered. You're also an envy-worthy distance away from the Natural History Museum London, Victoria and Albert Museum, and the Serpentine. 4 bedrooms, 6 beds, 3 baths, and room for 7 guests are just a few of the features. All throughout the apartment, you'll notice elaborate antiques, colorful accents, and a grandeur that only London can offer, which seems especially clear in the red and gold sitting room. First, you enter and see a cozy, richly decorated sitting room that will lead you to the open-plan living area beneath it. Gilded side tables, fine seats, and ornaments fill this red and gold room. A dining area is next, shining underneath a massive, wall-wide oil painting. The office, which boasts having an antique knee-hole desk, is the next stop. Turn back around to the entrance. This hallway will lead you to the apartment's fourth bedroom, followed by the smart little kitchen. A second bedroom with its own ensuite will make you stop and stare. You'll be torn whether to claim that room or to make the green and gold themed third bedroom, also with an ensuite your own. The master bedroom takes the cake for being the most splendid one of all. A luxurious silk bed dominates the room, matching ruche curtains decorate it, and a lavish ensuite seals the deal. How much for a night of opulence and indulgence at this home? Just $2,642 per night. Number 2. £12 million luxurious home in the heart of Chelsea. This mansion has unobstructed and lively views over the Chelsea Physic Gardens, the River Thames, and Battersea Park. Spacious and luxurious enough to fit 16 guests, this family home features 7 Instagram-worthy bedrooms and 8 baths. The true jewel of their home lies in the massive swimming pool inside. Look up at the glass skylight and you'll get a peek at the rest of the room. But for now, you can enjoy soaking in the crystal blue waters. Logically, a sauna is your next step on this luxurious trip. Lastly, follow the staircase and go up to the large roof terrace and private garden. As you stand gazing at the plethora of trees and plants, all absolutely thriving and brimming with life, you'll know this rental is a place where you want to come back. What more could you want? Multiple comfortably decorated bedrooms, a dedicated workspace, strong Wi-Fi throughout the home, a unique dining room, and countless details that are going to take all of your trip to appreciate. Let's take a moment to talk about the prime location. This property is at an ideal address. You'll have all the amenities of the King's Road, the Chelsea Embankment, and the Sloane Square are all within reach. You can book it for $2,198 a night. Number 1. Golden Square Penthouse. Do you want to stay in one of London's most sought-after buildings on the corner of Golden Square, smack dab in the heart of Soho? Look no further than the Golden Square Penthouse. The penthouse is located just by Mayfair and a few short minutes away from Piccadilly Circus and Regent Street. Sitting on top of 21 other residences on the 6th floor, the Golden Square Penthouse spans across 3 larger-than-life floors. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2 private balconies are all done up to the highest standards. Whether you're on a business trip, in town for a family gathering, or you just heard about this phenomenal residence, this 5-star hotel level of luxury will not disappoint. Each room shines in a unique way, showing off works from the best designers and artists London has to offer. Features include a modern, sleek gray kitchen, perfect for making meals or for indulging in a glass of wine at the counter. Lush carpets decorate the living room, lighting it up and complementing the chic sofa and abundance of colorful pillows. Gold, blue, and white accents breathe personality in the first bedroom, setting an elegant ambiance. An enviable deep bathtub in the sleek bathroom is the perfect spot to relax after touring the 3 floors of the residence. All throughout the home, you'll find gorgeous paintings, little accents, and sunlight beaming through every window. This is truly the pinnacle of London living. The Golden Square and the city beyond greeting you whenever you look out of the floor-to-ceiling window, or stand out in one of the spacious terraces. This can be yours for $2,061 per night. Overall, if you're looking for a place that has it all, the hustle and bustle of a city, the grandeur of centuries-old neighborhoods, the sophistication of culturally rich attractions, and the comfort of inviting picturesque homes, London is the perfect destination for your next trip. This group of Airbnbs serve as the best places to stay in the whole country, so don't miss out. Pack your bags and get ready for the stay of a lifetime. Want to see more top Airbnbs around the world? Click on this video next.